Hi, Joshua. Your work is really good. February 4th. Okay, so the disability note only gives you like 2 days to catch up. This is you don't get like all quarter. And the other piece, the milestone you submitted was 8 days late, which is way over what the disability note allows. So if you're going to turn work in like a week or two later, then you really need to organize your thoughts and, either put yourself on a schedule so that you can make sure you get the work done. Or, if you really can't do it this semester, put it on hold. But your work is really great. Your creative brief made sense. Your sketches are fantastic. They're well presented and creative. If you look at the work of your classmates, I think you've gone above and beyond the status quo, which is amazing. So really, the only thing standing in your way is extremely late work. Now, if it was just up to me, I probably would pass you and give you all the time in the world. But of course, it's not fair to all the other students and it's against the school policy. So, I'm glad you got your disability note. That'll help you in the future. And if you want me to look at stuff, just throw it my way. Okay, good luck. Bye-bye.